Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high. Flight to New York City, taking passengers now. Quick, quick, get in, get in.
Sorry, baby. Mummy has a lot of work to do. Maybe next time. But be careful, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. To New York, are you coming? You gonna get dollar.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾ ಟಾಟಾ.
Yay! It's New York City now. Passengers, get down fast. Dad, when are you coming back to India?
We'll go by the next flight, Mama. Say hi to Mummy.
Water has come, sweetie. Stop playing now. Go take a shower. Daddy has work in New York.
Did you see that? She already started pulling my leg.
Because you're always busy at work.
What do you say? Should we get her into our own profession?
I think her taste will be different since we work in the same profession. बेबी का ख्याल रखना और थोड़ा पानी स्टोर कर लेना.
ಆಯ್ತಮ್ಮ ಹೋಗ್ ಬನ್ನಿ.
See here, in 1986, there was no rain in Jodhpur and the surrounding areas. It was then people remembered the old and forgotten step well. They cleaned the step well and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it.
Mummy, my teacher told us today there is going to be a big water scarcity in our city because we are cutting down many trees, destroying ponds and lakes. Every living thing will die out. Is it true, Mummy?
It's always true, my sweetie.
Oh, then what will we do, Mummy? Oh, we can go to your place, right? There are lots of trees, birds, streams, rivers. But Mummy, will Daddy come with us?
Get up, baby. चलो स्कूल नहीं जाना है तुमको. चलो उठो उठो बेटा.
Megha, has it come?
No.
I have a client meeting early in the morning today. I'll be late. How can I tell them that I don't have water truck coming at my home? Megha? Megha?
क्या आकाश?
See, the industry is coming up. Lots of jobs. This is the right time for you to change. Megha? Megha? What you are doing?
Akash, let me complete my work.
See, this is city life. We need to run fast. Then only we can reach somewhere. This is not bullock cart era as it is in your village. Everything is fast here. See, my father had a good foresight. He came here and settled years back. Oh shit, it's gone somewhere. Megha? Megha? Oh, this much?
had yesterday.
Megha? Megha?
ಇವತ್ತು ತಿಂಡಿ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Water came late, no?
Ah.
Looks like it's going to be another starving day for me.
I'll take you out for lunch today, okay?
See, Akash, I can't go hungry whenever I want. I mean, it's different now.
We have not gone out since so long. You promised me last week. Are we going somewhere this week?
Ah.
Poor processor.
I promise you, beta. I'll come early today and I'll take you out, okay?
Promise?
Promise.
Time?
Is 3 o'clock okay? 3.
Okay. And mummy?
We'll pick mummy from office, then we'll go. Alright? What happened to the book you were reading yesterday? Finished, huh? Do you have to spend so much time to understand human relationship and values? See, if we have money, all these will come to us. Now you try to get into some technology.
Good morning, Tech City. You are listening to Radio Bangalore. We have some great songs lined up for your entertainment.
Pizza Hub. Hot delicious pizza from our existing 20 outlets in Bangalore City. City's expanding, so are we. We are opening 30 new outlets soon. Pizza Hub. Home of the original pizza.
Terms and conditions apply.
92.7 Big F.
Shit. Already late. Bloody traffic. Shit.
At my village, bullock carts don't have to worry about traffic block.
Oh, ऐसा क्या? Hi Smith, how are you?
Hey Akash,
Yep.
I couldn't complete that work. It's eating my head.
Okay.
See the
get
time.
in, let's have some lunch.
It's already 2.
Work overtime and finish it. Didn't you see? We got a smile from the client face.
Oh, it's because the slowdown got over.
But, man, he's not satisfied. We got a small drop in salary, right? That's okay. Try to impress the client.
Small drop? You think it's small drop, Akash? It almost destroyed my wedding plans, you know?
But your job is safe now. We should not lose this project. Try to stick onto the job. One chicken lollipop and 2 chicken burger.
Nice place to hang out with my future wife. But my dream is up to client satisfaction.
By the way, what happened to your marriage plans?
My marriage? Market is down for us, Akash. Girls' parents have turned patriots. They want government employees. Job security, you know. Can't blame them.
Can't you find a girl yourself?
Nowadays, girls are Sita Swayamvar. No. Rakhi jaisa Swayamvar. Otherwise, they will do a background check first.
One sec. I'm getting a phone call. I'm sorry. I'm caught up here. Can you adjust it somewhere near there? Just for today.
If you told me before that you can't come, I would have collected the leftover food from others. What can I do now? You never care about me. But at least you have to care about the baby that I am carrying.
Why hunger? It's such hunger.
Does that even matter to you?
देखो मेघा,
to change my job, yeah? Okay, then I want to change my job right now. Are you happy? You know, this is my 4th job after marriage. I think you are just using me for your own good. You always put money first. You, me, and a lot of other people are working in the same industry. But you? Can't you give some priority to your baby for a change?
ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನ್ಯೂಯಾರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗಾಗೋ ತನಕ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾನಿನ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
खा ले बेटा.
I don't want to have.
What happened, beta? Oh, it's 6 o'clock. I'm very tired today. Cannot drive anymore. We'll go next week. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's order some yummy pizza. Hello. Yeah, good evening. Is it Pizza Hub? Yeah, I'd like to order some pizza. One chicken pizza, one vegetarian pizza with paneer toppings and a bottle of... How long will it take? Half an hour should be fine. Thank you. Thank you, bye. Hello. Pizza Hub? Look, I've ordered a pizza. It has been 1 hour and I'm yet to see your delivery boy. I'm just pissed off and I need to see your pizza by 15 minutes. Otherwise, I'm going to complain. Complain bad. Alright? Please, please.
Sorry for late, sir.
You're late.
Akash, I lost my job, Akash. Just now I got the mail. See the time, I am still working. I don't know what I'll do. My dreams, Akash. You're my only hope now. Do something. This is pre-planned by them, Akash. I know it.
How can you buy or sell the sky, the warmth of the land? The idea is strange to us. If we do not own the freshness of the air and the sparkle of the water, how can you buy them? Every part of this earth is sacred to my people. Our dead never forget this beautiful earth, for it is the mother of the red man. If we sell you the land, you must remember that it is sacred, and you must teach your children that it is sacred, and that each ghostly reflection in the clear water of the lakes tells of events and memories in the life of my people. The water's murmur is the voice of my father's father. Our ways are different than yours. The sight of your city pains the eye of the red man. There is no quiet place in the cities. And what is there to life if a man cannot hear the lonely cry of a whippoorwill or the arguments of the frog around the pond at night.
We had a small dream. Even when development threw us out to the outskirts of the city, we had a small dream. Multi-storied buildings, flyovers, new business empires, and all gave a boost to our aspirations. But now, we are exposed to experiments. We are destined to work like machines. Nobody cares about our life, health, security, work, more work. Our concerns unheeded, our questions unanswered. No meaning to our rights in this mega city. Strings are attached to our body. We are in a puppet show. Puppet masters pull the strings sitting behind the curtain, and we are forced to play according to the movement of their fingertips.